How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna start building a welding cart, like a mobile welding cart. I've been using this welding table which I built, which has worked great, but to start working more on my car, I need to get my welder, mobile, so I can bring it around the car and work on it and weld where I need to. So we've got our materials here, all cut to length. This is 1x1 065 square tubing. We're going to start and we're going to build the base first. And I got some wheels for the welding cart, just caster wheels. Got these off of Amazon. So yeah, let's get started. I start by welding the base of the cart together, making sure to keep the pieces straight and in the correct position. Next, I start locking up and welding the vertical supports. I use a square to make sure I weld the supports at a 90-degree angle. A little more welding to get everything in place. Now I can remove the supports. The structure is holding itself in place, and I can go back and finish up welding the pieces together. Yeah.
Are you wearing your helmet too?
Yeah. I am.
But can I look at the lightning out there?
No.
Okay.
Don't look at it, because it'll hurt your eyes.
Okay.
Are you playing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm playing house.
Playing house?
Yeah.
Now I can start welding in the shelf support brackets. I do this by hand, which is not the ideal method for building a shelf, but it worked out well in this case. Once I get both support pieces welded on or tacked in place, I'll begin to install support beams, which are cut to the exact same length, underneath these support shelf beams. This will ensure that the shelf is level. Hey guys, wanted to jump on here and do a final review of the welding cart that we built. Turned out pretty good. It gives you a good look at it. Got the wheels welded on. I didn't put the bottom shelf on yet, but I'm gonna do that in due time. But right now I got the welder on here, and it's on wheels and it's working out pretty good. Show you a little bit of how it turned out. Got the shelf built in. The welder sits right on top there. It's level with the back handle there. I am gonna fix and change that back handle. I don't like it touching here. It's just a minor detail, but I got this cardboard in here right now, but I think I'm gonna redo this back bar. Maybe bend a piece like this just to go right over top of that. Make it look a little cleaner, but for now it's functional. So I welded on these tabs right here, so I can hang the welding gun and the different cables and stuff, whatever I got. Got the back tray for the tank, sits on there good. Got our braces on there, holding good. I am gonna build a bottom tray for this eventually, and then I'll weld that in. And then I'm thinking about painting it black, but sometimes I don't like to paint it just because I want to see the welds and stuff. I think it's cool. It's, you know, something you build, so you want to just see it and see the welds and see how you improve, that type of thing. So it's working good. It rolls good. So I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and comment, you know, anything, reviews, good, bad, the ugly, whatever. Yeah, on to the next one.